Welcome to 1919 Overton. This is 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Go in here. The whole house is wood floors and tile, which is great. Low maintenance, good for people with allergies. You got this nice, great, large area, living area. And you've got your kitchen. Really nice size eat-in area. You got tile flooring here in the kitchen. You got lots of counter space. You got dishwasher. It's your laundry area. Go into half bath. And you got a pocket door, which is nice, saves some room. And then back into the kitchen. Kind of try to give you a good idea of what it looks like. It's a nice area, kind of a little mud area. If you ever wanted to go outside, truck in some mud, you have a place to sit down, take your shoes off. You also have a storage shed, which is always really nice. You've got a fence in the yard for those who have animals or want to do a garden and want to keep the animals out. Alright, back into the living area. This house is beautiful. Alright, let's go down and check out the rooms. You've got a hallway here. You've got one of your bedrooms right here. We'll go back. Here's the bathroom. Nice window. And you have tiling, tub. And then here is bedroom number 2. Closet. Let's back out and go to bedroom number 3. Alrighty. And that is 1919 Overton. One more shot from there. You've got some pretty nice mature trees. There's a 360 view for you there. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.